Hey everyone! Do you ever find yourself translating word for word from your native language into English? It feels slow, clumsy, and the sentences just don't sound right. Well, today we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to build English sentences naturally and fluently, just like a native speaker. Let's get started. The secret is to stop translating and start thinking in English sentence patterns. The most basic pattern is subject-verb object. Think, I love pizza. Simple, right? Start with these core sentences, who did what to whom. For example, she reads a book, or they play soccer. Get comfortable with this basic structure first. It's the foundation for everything else. Once you've mastered the core, it's time to add details. Think about the 5 W's: who, what, when, and why. Let's take our simple sentence. She reads a book. Where does she read? She reads a book in the library. When? She reads a book in the library every Friday. Why? She reads a book in the library every Friday to prepare for her exam. See how we built a complex, natural-sounding sentence from a simple core? It's like adding layers to a painting. Now, how do you make this a habit? Practice is key, but it needs to be the right kind of practice. Don't just memorize vocabulary lists. Instead, try this exercise. Pick a subject like my dog. Now, create as many simple sentences as you can. My dog barks, my dog eats, my dog sleeps. Then start adding details. My dog barks loudly at the mailman. My dog eats his dinner quickly. My dog sleeps on the sofa all day. Do this for 5 minutes every day. You can talk about your hobbies, your job, your family, anything. You can even just describe the room you're in. The goal is to make this sentence building process automatic. Over time, you'll stop translating in your head and start speaking fluidly and confidently. It's a game changer. So ditch the word-for-word translation. Start with the core sentence, add the details, and practice daily. You'll be amazed at how quickly your English fluency improves. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.